Hello, you guys are going to love me today because today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page. Let's get started. First of all, if you find this video helpful, it helps me to know what to create if you give me a thumbs up on the video. This way I know what to keep producing for you. Also, love subscribers. So if you could subscribe, this way you'll get notified every time we do another video. So let's get going. I'm taking you over here to my personal profile. This is actually, you can see over here, I'm in my personal profile on Facebook and I'm looking at the eGen Solutions page. But it doesn't matter. You just need to be in your personal profile on Facebook. And here is how you're going to create your business page. You're going to go all the way up to the top. Of course, you're in the new format of Facebook. You see this plus sign? When I hover, it says create. Bam! Look at that. It's all there for you, all of it. So you just have to scroll down. You can do a story, you can create a room, and guess what? Here's a page. You can even create a group, an event, marketplace, fundraiser. You can do it all with that simple little plus button. All right, if that answered your question, fine. I understand if you're going to leave, but let's get going to the page. All right. So now we kind of see it really shows you a good frame. And as part of, I'm sorry, my dog is in the background having an attack or something. I'm so sorry. It shows you everything that you need, and you can even go to see how your page will look in the mobile version. How cool is that, right? So let me move my page here. You're going to put your page name, Jennifer Test Page. I'm going to select a category. Let's select lifestyle. It'll start to fill it all out. Let's do entertainment. Oh, I like entrepreneur. Then we're going to do a little description. This is a test page for Jennifer. I'm going to go through here, create it. How simple. How simple, simple, simple. Oh, didn't like something. Oh, everything was fine. The test page was created, and now I can go ahead and start adding in my pictures. I can start doing all that fun stuff. So don't have a photo. We're just going to go pick one here. That was for my last YouTube. And that's it. Save. And it'll just walk you through what you need to do. So you can't get any easier than that. Facebook has really stepped up their game because, trust me, it has been a long haul. You want to put in a new logo, you can do your photo here, all that good stuff. Add a button. This is where you're going to start to be more advanced, but you can do contact us, call now. Look at all these options that you have now for a business page. It is absolutely amazing. So there you go. I hope this has helped. If it has, thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Thanks.